how to find your Facebook friends on Instagram, and that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to click on go to your profile page, and then you have to click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and there is the option of the discover people in the right side, you can see. So you have to click on the discover people, and there is the, so you have to allow access to the contacts. So and in the, you continue it, and in the most upper side in the first option you can see the connect to Facebook. So you have to click on the connect to Facebook or follow your friends. You have to click on the connect, and when you click on the connect, then you can click on the continue it, and then you can click on the okay. You can just click on the just finish setup, and when you click on the just finish setups, then it is connected to your Facebook. So what, and in the list you can see is your Facebook friends. So you can see all these Facebook friends, so you can see it. So that's basically that how you can find your Facebook friends on Instagram. Only what you have to do, you have to connect to the Facebook. So that's basically it, that how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.